Gicanja gia bita kinuthia gutharikira macibu na riria marare mihango-ini ya kuhurana na urugi wa njohi cia ibango mwena wa Wangige kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni kiratigire kimako kinene gatagati ka muingi mwena uyu ona gutuika kinuthia ni aracokire guikio ngono na umuthi ni akinyire igoti-ini ria mwena wa Kikuyu. Mbere ya mucirithani igoti-ini riri Zedi Gicana kinuthia thitangitwo na mahitia ma gutharikira na kuguraria macibu eri nio munyinyi wa cibu wa Kirangari Robert Gicuhi na cibu wa Wangige Samuel Mburu mari birigiceni-ini ya kuhurana na njohi cia ibango. Gicana athanite mwikuirwo arekererio na mbeca baribari 25,000 na akoragwo agikinyia kuri maabitha borithi hindi iria arabatarania.
Be admitted to cash bail of 25,000 shillings. The accused is cautioned not to interfere, threaten and or assault the witnesses, their families and or friends, either by himself or through proxy. The accused is also required to present himself to the investigating officer whenever he is required for questioning.
Ni ona thengia wa mwena wa thitango gukorwo wendekithitie kinuthia heo bodi ndito kumana na mahitia maria arathitangwo namo guku wakiri wa kinuthia gikana ati ndendagia njohi cia ibango indi arutaga wira wa kwenja mwena wa Wangige.
To pray for strict drug terms that will ensure that the accused person and transport without fail.
Your Honor, the accused person is engaged in lawful business as a barber. Which business he utilizes to take care of his young family. He has a wife.
Riu mwikwirwo ni athitwo akoragwo agikinya kuri maabitha borithi riria riothe ndekana nginya riria cira wake ugetikwo tariki 22 mweri-ini uyu. Giko gia kinuthia gigituthura kiuria kigie wagiriru wa ugitiri kuri maabitha thirikari riria mari wira-ini wao na kana hihi kwa muhiano macibu ni mabatie gukorwo makiheo matharaita ta mishinga. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV igoti-ini ria Gikuyu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu njitagwo Wanjiku wa Wanjiku.